A mother is demanding answers after her 19-year-old son, J.Z. Joseph, was shot and killed by an officer on Tuesday.
I just want to ask the officer, how are you feeling right now? Your son, how are you feeling? Do you have anything to say to me?
Media practitioners on Friday morning attempted to gain insight on the matter from Deputy Commissioner of Police Ronald Phillip.
What I can confirm is that an investigation into the police-related homicide is under investigation, and I know that I can confirm that a senior police officer has spoken with the mother and provided her with a detail as to the investigative process for police-related shootings.
Details about the shooting remained scarce, with questions swirling about whether the victim tried to flee, had a gun, or threatened the officer. Deputy Commissioner Phillip was asked about these concerns.
The young man was shot in the leg area. Unfortunately, the police does not wish any young man, we don't wish death on anybody, but the reality is a firearm is a lethal barrel weapon. So once you carry firearms and firearm are discharged, then there's the possibility of death. So again, these things do happen.
What prompted this? What prompted him being shot?
Well, I was not on the scene, but what I can confirm is that he was masked and he was in possession of a firearm, and it's the police officer on the scene in any scene to decide the appropriate response. I cannot speak to what was the appropriate response needed. But what I could tell you is that the police officers, I am sure, would have acted lawfully and within the context of the law.
A recent surge in major crimes, particularly homicides, has sparked public outrage. Residents in Vieux Fort fear for their safety and demand tougher law enforcement. Deputy Commissioner Phillip addressed the mixed emotions surrounding the officer-involved shooting.
What would you say to citizens right now to reassure public safety, especially in light of the residents in Vieux Fort are commending the actions of the police in that particular incident?
Well, what I could say is that the police, and I've said it before, that the police will not retreat. And if persons are armed with firearms, if persons are masked, if they pose a danger to the police or to the public, an appropriate response and action will be taken as long as it's within the confines of the law.
A law enforcement probe has been launched into the fatal shooting by police of J.Z. Joseph.